Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about xargs. Okay, xargs. Okay. So this is used to convert standard input to arguments. Just in case you know, touch command doesn't take any standard input. It only takes arguments. But I want to provide some standard input to touch command so that it can take those standard inputs as its arguments. Okay, let's say if I give, it will give me error because it doesn't take any standard input. But I want to enter the file names by my own as standard input. Then I can use xargs touch. Okay, temp1.txt, temp2.txt, temp3.txt. Okay, control D. If I see now, the files got created. So what it does, xargs means it will tell the command the user will provide some standard inputs and I'll convert that inputs to arguments and I'll provide to the command. Okay, let's say I'll create one file. Let's say uh, r.txt and I'll write some file names here. Let's say y1.txt, y2.txt, y3.txt. Okay, if I see now, sorry, the file names are there in the file add.txt, but there are no files with the name y1, y2, y3 currently. I want to create these files by taking the input of r.txt. What I can do, I can use this. First, I'll print the content of the file r.txt. It's printed. Then I want to provide this content to touch command. So get r.txt to touch. Okay, but it will not like create the file because touch command accepts only arguments, not standard input. And we know pipe just only provide the content as standard input, not as arguments. So for this we need to use xargs here. So whatever it will get, it will append those things at the end of the command. Okay, it's same as touch, then y1.txt, y2.txt, y3.txt. These both are same. Okay, means in a single line it will append all the content of the file. Okay, so what we saw, xargs will provide the uh, output at the end of the command. Okay, so let's say in this case I want to copy this three files to dir. So I need to give like this f1.txt, sorry, f1.txt to dir, means in between cp and dir the contents will be there. To do this, I can use a hyphen I flag. Okay, capital I. Then let's say, then grep txt. Then I can give xargs hyphen I. Then cp and dir. So where should I place the file names? Here. Okay, between cp and dir. So I'll use this. This curly braces is optional actually. Matlab, anything you can write in place of curly braces. Means you are telling xargs to replace this curly braces with the file names. If I see now, all the files are there. Okay, let's say I'm removing the dir files now. Now I am writing some different thing here. Let's say I'm writing some different character percentage select. Whatever you write here, it should be written here as well, so that it will copy the things properly. Okay, so just like this, the hyphen I flag works.